Arsenal 2. Liverpool 2. We are smoking the realism pack. I told man. Bless out rants. Make sure you check out Craig's fan cam, Anfield Agenda. That's dropped already. Kenny is outside the ground. Jez and then Matty. Then emergency meeting. Hopefully Northside will be jumping on. If he can't, I'll be doing it on my ones. The realism pack. Cheers, guys. The fixed bench is fixed until we need to use it. Make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you sub to the channel. Less than 50 away from 104k. I fully expect that to be done by tonight. But then again, if you expect nothing, you can't be disappointed. Because I think a lot of top gooners and super fans alike, and rival fans that have been on their knees for this football club, telling us how scary and dangerous and scintillating we are for the last 2 years, are finally coming to reality and realism and back to the real world, that this club ain't what they thought it was. However, it's less than a month away from me telling you all on this channel 5 years ago, 25th of the 11th, 2019, the video's still there. I am Arteta out before he's got the job. Oh, but Lee, you wanted Emery out. Yeah, I said bring him back. Ain't easy, is it, guys? Ain't easy. They're dropping like flies. So, the starting 11, let's go through it. David Raya, didn't think had a great deal to do today. However, not quite sure what he was doing on the corner for their equaliser. Anyway, Thomas Partey, let's play our best midfielder at right back. Cheers, mate. Let's play our best midfielder at right back. Let's play our best right back at centre back. Let's play a right back at left back who's just come back from injury. Going well, isn't it? It's going extremely well. Going extremely well here, guys. Why didn't we play Declan Rice at centre back? He's actually a centre back. Playing in midfield. He's actually a centre back. He plays centre back all the way through academy level. He can play centre back. Yeah. Anyway, great start. Fantastic start. Fantastic ball from Ben White. Bukayo Saka ended Robbo's career. Although, to be fair, we knew that was ended anyway. He's been done for about a year, 18 months. Great career. Big up Robbo. However, man was doing a Patrick Truman. Like one of them ones. Yeah. Saka twisted him all ends up. What a goal. Fantastic. What a goal. And we're thinking, yo, we're on to something here. But no. Thomas Partey had other ideas. Number one, why is Thomas Partey marking Van Dijk? Number two, why is 29 not even facing the corner taker? He's facing up the pitch. He's not even looking at the man that he's supposed to be marking in front of him. He's not looking at the corner taker. How'd you let Luis Diaz out jump you? You were about 6 foot fucking 24, bruv. Like, what are we doing? 6 foot 29. You allow Luis Diaz to out jump you. And then Thomas Partey ball watching, marking Van Dijk. What is our keeper doing, by the way? Don't worry, guys. We got the fixed bench. The fixed bench, guys. It's almost like it's a recruitment issue, which is what I told you in the summer. Yeah, 0 out of 10. 0 transfer window. We went backwards, but don't worry. I'm negative. Yeah, cool. I don't want to hear no chat from anyone about I'm negative. Yeah, cool. When you lot want Arteta out, I'm Arteta in. I've told you this for years, yeah? You lot want to sit there and lie through your teeth about this manager, this squad, this football club every single day to look like the top gooner on the internet to strangers that don't know you, like don't know you at all. They just see your Twitter handle, yeah, or they see you on YouTube or your TikTok and all of this. Cool. Cool. No worries. No worries, guys. Anyway, Mikel Merino rushed back from injury, went down holding his shoulder after doing a fracture on his shoulder, and we're thinking, oh, no, not again. Not again. But don't worry, he got back up, lads, this time. Might not be so lucky next time, but he got back up this time. Well done to him. Scored a cracking header, by the way. Not quite sure. Well, actually, I am quite sure. Because it took about 6 minutes to decide he was onside. The camera angle was mad sus. Why ain't it dead in line? With all the technology, the billions that is invested into the Premier League. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Took 6 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever it took. And we're looking at it diagonally. Why can't they pinch the screen, twist it? Why did it take them? They had the earmuffs on. Wing Commander Wilson and his buddy, bruv. Yeah, get out of here, bruv. What took so long to decide that was onside? Either way, they got the right decision. Fair play to them. However, 29. Purple patch is over, lads. Sorry. The purple patch is over. This guy couldn't chop a bag of cement. Martinelli puts one on a plate for him. Why didn't he just volley it? This guy's rubbish. I keep telling you lot, but Lee, make your apologies as loud as your disrespect. Said that about Eddie and Nketiah as well. How's that worked out? Okay, yeah, he's stinking it out of Palace. Thanks. Okay, anyway, let's move on. Bukayo Saka, second half. Fantastic. Best player on the pitch in the first half, by the way. However, I would have subbed him off at halftime. And I'll tell you why. Because people go, oh, if he's the best player on the pitch, why would you sub him off? Because he wasn't fully fit. We got a cracking 45 minutes out of him in the first half. 28 minutes into the second half, the 73rd minute, for you that don't know maths, the 73rd minute, I said, is he still on the pitch? Oh, shit, he is still on the pitch. Because I didn't see him. That's not just necessarily his fault, by the way. The tactics in the second half were an absolute shit show. Absolute disgrace. This manager stinks, bro. Yeah, I swear down, this manager is not it. And I told you 5 years ago. But because you lot want to be the toppest of top gooners, yeah, and seen as the best football fan on the planet, yeah, instead of associating with people like me, oh, you're so negative, or you don't want to associate with Lee Gunner. Cool. Well, unfortunately for you lot, you are going to have to associate with Lee Gunner this season because it's all going to unravel. What phase is Unai Emery in? What phase is Maresca in? What phase is the Brighton manager whose name I don't even know? What phase are they in? Because if we're in a title race, so are they. No? Oh, okay, cool. Cool. So, we're 2-1 up. We come out second half. Saka's barely touched the ball. He touched the ball 3 times after 28 minutes of the second half. He then touched the ball 3 or 4 times more after that. All in the same sequence, by the way. And we got Gabriel Magalhaes go down, our best defender, and has been since the Qatar World Cup. He's been outstanding for Arsenal, individually. So he drops. He gets back up. He tries again. Yurin Timber rushed back in. Where's Zinchenko? Yeah, you man told me he was he's got the winning mentality. You man were all showing me pictures of him winning trophies at Man City. How did that work out then? How'd that work out? Oh, he's held bench for Lewis Skelly. Okay, cool. How are we getting rid of him, lads? He's on 150 grand a week. Yeah, Martin Kelly. 190 grand a week. Wow, this club's finished. But don't worry, guys. We've got an injury crisis to all of our defenders. Okay. Almost like I told you this is going to happen, isn't it? When I rated the transfer window 0 out of 10 and you, man, were chatting crap. Well, here we are, guys. And we're on the 27th of October. Not easy, is it, guys? Don't worry. We got Preston next. Oh, we'll beat Preston? Really? This manager's got a track record of throwing these cups in the bin. After that, we've got Newcastle away. Robbed! Arsenal! Okay, cool. After that, we've got Internazionale Milano. They drew 4-4 today with Juve. They've conceded 5 goals in the league all season. They conceded 4 of them today. What phase is Conte in, by the way? Because he's 4 points clear. 4 points clear, guys. Joint best defense in the league. So that's top of the table, 22 points. Phase is in. Because if we want to play this negative, dead football, when I'm offering up managers, a new man will tell me, oh, but nobody's better than Super Duper Mick. Cool. Say less. When you lot all come to the conclusion collectively, and it's fashionable for you lot to say, well, maybe it's time to go. Maybe we should get rid of him. Trust me, I'm Arteta in. Trust the process. There's nobody better. Phase is Hansi Flicking. Phase is Ian. Because I offered up Hansi Flick to be Arsenal manager. You told me, what did he do with Germany? Cool. Well, he's beaten Bayern Munich and Real Madrid in the space of a week. Don't worry, though. We've got Super Duper Mick. It's the best looking Spaniard we know. It says it on the banner in the stadium. Yeah. One thing I do want to know, and leave it in the comment section. Please do leave this in the comment section, guys, because, I mean, this is super important. I need to know, guys. When this manager does finally leave this football club, after burying it, 2 questions, in fact, 3 questions I want to ask you. Number 1, yeah, are you going to back the next manager as much as you've backed this guy? telling everyone it took Klopp 4 years, it took this, it took that, this, and this, and blah, blah, blah. Yeah, he inherited a mess and all that. Are you going to do that? Probably not, because I've seen that with Unai. Yeah, I was going to games then. Yeah, and none of you lot in the stadium backed him. You wanted Wenger back. So I know that's going to be a thing. The second question I want to ask, what happens to win the dog? Is it a club dog or is it super duper mixed dog? What happens to the tree that he planted that the dog pisses up? Maybe we've got a lot of these injuries because the dog keeps shitting all over the training ground and these men keep slipping and sliding all over dog shit. And not only that, will you accept a manager that plays negative football? Because I was offering up Simeone. Oh, he's washed. Okay, yeah, he maybe washed at Atleti. I'll take him at Arsenal in the heartbeat. Offered up Jose. Oh, Jose's washed. These managers have won stuff since Super Duper Mick, by the way. Conte. Would you accept Conte at Arsenal? Oh, he's washed. So the last question I'll ask, who do you want when you come to the idea and the light bulb moment? This, guys, is a light bulb, guys. When you get the light bulb moment, which you will because you've been winging it for 5 years, who do you want as the next manager? Because whoever you want is not better than Super Duper Mick. You've told me for 5 years. So trust your manager, lads. Trust your manager. And I can do petty better than anyone. And I can do sarcasm better than anyone. So I'll tell you something now, yeah? Real talk. Back your manager and hope he wins the title. Hope he wins the trophy this season. Because when he don't, which we already know he ain't, yeah, I don't want to hear no chat. And when the next manager comes in, I don't want to hear nothing out of you lot apart from apologies. But none of you have got any shame in it, so you won't apologize. On that bombshell, Cronky out. Piss off.